You're watching 13 on your side.
Good evening, I'm Kirk Montgomery. Juliet is on assignment. Thank you for joining us. In less than 24 hours, we should know the results from the investigation into the death of Patrick Lyoya. 13 on your side's Nate Belt spoke tonight with a former U.S. attorney about what we may learn. And Nate, does he have any idea which way the prosecutor may be leaning?
Kirk, no, he does not. But what Pat Miles does tell me is that regardless of the outcome, we should expect to learn more about what went into the decision process.
I'm sure he is going to provide an explanation either way, if he charges the police officer or if he doesn't.
Either way, the decision is a long time coming. 13 on your side looked at 10 previous officer-involved shootings investigated by Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker and found a final decision took an average of nearly 45 days to be made. Tomorrow's announcement will come 66 days after Patrick Lyoya was killed by GRPD officer Christopher Schurr on April 4th.
This is certainly a high-profile case, perhaps the highest-profile case in Kent County in decades. I'm sure the prosecutor is saying he needed this amount of time to conduct a thorough investigation.
An investigation Pat Miles says includes looking at several types of evidence, such as the video that's been released and potentially even more that hasn't been.
For example, if I was looking at this case, I would want to know, was there a third charge in the taser?
As for what that decision will be, Miles says he doesn't want to speculate.
It's so difficult to know without having all the evidence and knowing, what really going through the prosecutor's decision process in his office.
Tomorrow's news conference will be at 3 p.m. We'll have it for you live on air and online, as well as full coverage in our evening newscast. Kirk?
All right, Nate, thank you so much.